different and distinctive. Very simple, but a significant difference. Being different means that things that you do that are setting you apart, but there can be a duplicate of you. Being distinctive is that sets you apart, but you are the only one that you are doing it. So during the Maxwell Leadership Conference, I learned, because I listened to a lot of leadership coaches, and one thing, and they are different, they are different, they are teaching you. But one thing that really stand out with John Maxwell, that is not only that he's doing a lot of great things, but he has published 90 books, close to 90 books on leadership. He has trained 53,000 Maxwell, certified leadership coach. So these are the things that is almost hard to duplicate. And these are the things when you go above and beyond, when you have this abundance mindset that you are here to serve other, you are here to help other, you are caring more about the people that you're serving rather caring about your own business, caring about your own brand. When you have this caring mindset, when you have this giving mindset, that will help you to become from a different to distinctive in your specialty.